Good morning. So recently, the Hindu saw a coverage where you have a news which talks about center creating a new panel to review the competitive exams and cut dependency on coaching centers. Now, this news is a very important news in line of the recent developments. The first major issue that has been identified is understanding the term of reference with regards to the dummy school and how these dummy schools emerged. So the new focus is on cutting down the efforts on rote learning which is being provided by the coaching centers and focusing more on logical thinking, critical thinking, analytical reasoning, innovation and skill based approach which cannot be provided. Now NCERT has been working forward to create a panel. This would include experts from NIT Trichy, then you have IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, three principals, one from Kendra Vidyalaya, one from Navodaya Vidyalaya and one from a private school would be part of this panel, and they would have a comprehensive approach to understand why the trend for the coaching institutes have been rising and what would be a right approach for conducting the competitive exams so that students don't face the burden and have a proper schooling and a proper education in the school. Now another important thing in light of this was to understand and actually make parents aware of the alternative things that the students can do, and we at Mind is Bright Solutions are happy to be one of the panels where we have been the largest provider of online self-learning modules across various examinations. So as you can see, the list of the examinations that we cater on to range from defense to engineering to medical to Olympiad preparation and university examinations. These are just few on Doorstep Tutor. Then on Exam PYQ ranging from banking, government admissions to nursing to scientist positions and TET and lab assistant. Then on Exam Race there are numerous set of examination from the UPSC, those organized by UPSC and state PSCs for various talent examination, entrance examinations for university level, hospitality and mass communication examinations, law entrance, medical, nursing, pharmacy, accountancy, defense and state PSCs are some of those, and then of course the board examinations and international examinations. And then even if you are preparing for your CBSE, ICSE or NIOS schooling, you can find the complete notes, problem solutions to the NCERT, exemplar solutions for ICSE, for the various major reference books and the practice material. So wish you all the best for your preparation. Thanks for joining in. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us, but of course we do help students for those who are now not part of the dummy schools and are aiming to self-prepare, because getting through the conceptual clarity through the cutting edge lectures that we have been providing for various competitive examination by the respective subject experts have been very beneficial to the students. So have a great day. Thanks for joining in.